Consumer-grade UAVs have gradually become the new playmates of the public due to comparable affordability. Meanwhile, professional-grade UAVs have been utilized as the new tools of government control in commercial applications due to unrivaled work efficiency. Great dexterity, wide applications, and high cost of performance all make it a powerful kit in low-altitude remote sensing. Industrial-grade superstar UAV SkyWalker X60 series was born to be a multifunctional hexacopter. Carbon fiber reinforced polymer composite materials, rugged and durable. 6 fully waterproof brushless motors, withstand light rain. 2 flight control systems on board. Double modular redundancy design for safety assurance. Semi-open modular structure. Alien-shaped trapezoid structure. Dual guide rail connections. All ready to fit a variety of payloads. One of a kind in hexacopter. Its multi-functionality is good for plenty of airborne devices like RTK and PPK receiver. Multi-lens camera, lightweight lidar, hyperspectral camera, video transmitter, thermal imager, etc. As a superstar copter, it enjoys a wide range of applications and maximum endurance, 60 minutes both. The airborne RTK and PPK module with Steadicam system helps it to eliminate 90% GCPs or even all. Fieldwork operation, quick assembly, pre-flight checking, GCS setting and parameters checking, autonomous VTOL and remote control free, intuitive flight status information, precise descending and safe landing. SkyPhoto, a professional desktop solution for aerial photogrammetry, quality checking and report of aerial imagery, camera file and a pose file, humanized interfaces, autonomous aerial triangulation and point cloud densification, fast computation and quick outputs like DEM, DSM, DOM, TDOM, DLG, contour lines, 3D model, etc. Smart aerial triangulation, intelligent GCP matching, easy and convenient. Automatic generation of true DOM without manual editing. Deliverables: TIF, DXF, DAT, XYZ, LAS, OBJ, WRL are compatible to mapping GIS, VR, BIM, IDS software. Born for survey, X60 series enjoys great application diversity and modular practicality. Integrated multi-lens camera system, SkyCams, 3D model production, with precise coordinates to measure area, volume, etc. Lightweight lidar system, SCT V100. Mobile scanning to directly obtain high-precision 3D terrestrial data. Hyperspectral imaging camera, used for vegetation index generation and visualized analysis in precise agriculture and forestry. Infrared thermal imager, data analysis output good for government sectors, presenting more information than regular camera. Digital wireless video transmitter, used for real-time investigation, inspection, monitoring, broadcasting, etc. SkyWalker has been widely utilized in a number of industries with performance-driven reputations. Land management, topographic survey, map updates, urban planning, traffic control, forestry management, precise agriculture,